Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we honestly need to get these subscribers up. I'm making these videos. I need the subscribers to be coming in. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video. I'm going to be showing you how I clean my nose piercing. Really simple. This is going to be a super short video because I don't do a lot. I got my nose pierced March 27th and it is now June 10th. In the 3.5 months that I've had my piercing, I haven't had any infections or any keloids. A lot of people ask me like how I clean my nose piercing or if I've experienced any problems. I haven't, and I really just think it's because of the products that I use. I'm just going to be using peroxide and aloe vera juice to clean it. The place did give me some type of like salt water scrub or something to use on it, and I was using that for like 2 weeks, but I'm more so into like more natural products, so I stopped using that, and I've actually seen better healing with the peroxide and the aloe vera juice, so I just stuck to that. But you know, you can use whatever you want to use on your nose piercing, but that's just what works for me. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and we're just gonna jump right into it. So I'm going to be using cotton swabs or Q-tips, hydrogen peroxide, and aloe vera juice. So I'm just gonna take my Q-tip and put some peroxide on it, and then I just start going around my nose piercing. I don't lift my piercing at all just because like it's not completely healed, so I try not to move it. But you're gonna see the peroxide start like bubbling around my nose, and that just happens when it's cleaning something. So then I just go in with the other part of the Q-tip, like the opposite side, and dip it back into the peroxide and then go above and under my nose. And now I'm going to be doing the same exact thing but with the aloe vera juice, and this is just going to help it heal. So like the peroxide is for cleanliness, and then the aloe vera juice is just to help your nose piercing heal. And that is literally all that I do. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was helpful. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani, and I will see you guys in my next video.